Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys that I my skin is so it's sort of really dry and it's also very moist. I've been on a 3-day fast with just drinking water and tea and actually doing a green tea fast. And so I noticed that the deep layers of my skin is nice and plump, but the surface, like my lips, are very chapped and dry, and the very prone to like scratching and bleeding. There is my little scratch. I don't know if you can see that, just from like tiny little things. So it's very delicate. But the underneath layers, while I'm water fasting or tea fasting, has really softened and plumped my skin. And like I did the hydration test, and I am when I'm doing these fasts, I'm not taking any. Well, I'm also not putting. I'm fasting my skin. Like I won't even put the cosmetics that I make on here, my natural ones. So still kind of plump and soft, but delicate top layer for sure. Just so delicate. And since I'm breaking my fast today, I made it to day 3. Woo! I thought I would give cellre's amazing product a try. So cellre is a girl who's also a graduate from the same school as me, Formula Botanica, and I loved everything about hers because she's obviously into deep cleansing kind of health, and her whole story is about cleansing her body with celery, and her passion for good health is really put into her product. So I never planned on doing a product demonstration, but I'm hungry and so is my skin. It just needs the extra touch since I got her hydrating serum. Look at this beautiful packaging. As a skincare formulator, I just love everything that she's done. All of it. So that's that. And it looks like she might be using Myron glass to protect her. Well, it might be. It's got like a blue tint, but it's very, very pretty. Very nice. And there it is. Relieve Hydrating Serum. So it's perfect timing that I got this, and I did not plan it to fast and to not. I didn't plan on not using my cosmetics. I did not plan on fasting and getting this at the same time, but it just happens that way. So we're gonna give it a try, and I didn't try it before. I did pump out a little bit so I could smell it, and it smells so delicious. But here we go. I already cleaned my face, so on my fast I'm not using soap or anything. I just use water to clean my face. I do use toothpaste, just why not. Anyways, so here we go. Let's try this out. So this is a hydrating serum from cellre, and it's or cellre hydro bioactive skincare, and you get a lot in here. This is a lot. As a veil, yet packed with heavy hitting hydrants, which my skin needs to rescue. This rescue serum encourages a return of proper cellular function and restores balance and calm. And the ingredients she used are just amazing. There's snow mushroom, there's cucumber, all kinds of really amazing things. Coconut, cucumber, licorice, lemon balm, chamomile, and marshmallow root extract. There's so much more in there too. And aloe. I really like working with aloe. So here we go. We're gonna give it a try. My dry skin needs it. Alright. 2 pumps. Ew, it smells so good. Okay, it's really herby, but to me that smells really good. It's really celery or not celery, cucumbery. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't really read the directions. I like read them, but I'm sorry what I read. Oh, that's so cool. It just smells so good. My fasting is not helping. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna break my fast with dinner with the kids tonight. Oh, it's so cold. And not cold, like just cool. And I looked at the preservative, so it's gentle enough to use around my eyes, which I like. Wow. That feels so much better. That smells so good. You can't... If I know I actually have what I think she has, this packaging, and if I'm right, these are airtight, so that's why I can't smell it. Like, you ever get a shampoo bottle and you can just smell it with the cap closed? Well, you can't smell this, you know, it's airtight. And she really cares about what's inside it. Wow, that feels so good. Oh, I wonder how often I can use this. Let's see. Formulated without GMOs, gluten, carcinogens, dyes, artificial fragrances, fillers, parabens, phthalates, phenylhexanol, ethanol, whatever, and animal testing. Okay, so external. So the thing that I can't pronounce is so popular, and it's just like a group of synthetic ingredients and it's toxic. And she doesn't use that. So how do I do this? How often can I use it? I'll have to ask her because this feels so good. It's so much better. I want to use it on my hands. Why not? So when you're using skincare, especially as we're maturing, I normally would use a moisturizer for this part, but like a nice thick lotion because it really seals in the moisture. But maybe I can layer up. Oh, that feels so good. I'm not kidding. I want to keep putting it on, and I'm not just saying that. All right. So this was a quick little, I guess demonstration or unboxing. I hadn't used it before. And it's really to support my friend she's just so beautiful, just inside and out. She's a wonderful person, and she really cares about natural and clean formulations. And for someone like me who really does too, I struggle. Like, gosh, there's so many great products and formulators, especially in our school's community, that's kind of like stealing by not sharing it with other people. And now I'm working on the advanced formulation or the advanced cosmetic science course right now, and I've actually chosen her product to it feels so great for one of my projects. I don't know if we're allowed to say what we're doing. Look at that. It feels great. Cellre bioactive, hydrobioactive skincare. It really feels like it's active. And it doesn't sting. We'll give it a few minutes and let it soak in. I am not camera friendly today. I haven't eaten in 3 days. I'm not feeling my best. But I will in a little bit here. Let's just go over it. And her packaging is so sweet. It's so nice. It comes with a recipe for celery juicing. Medicalmedium.com. And it comes also with a really well done mini brochure of her product line and her philosophy. And this is so good. I'm really enjoying it. Alright, so I'm gonna do it again against the directions wishes because it feels that good and I feel like I can trust the ingredients in it, so I'm not overdoing it. Alright. Come in!